My name is Beth Ferguson, and I'm the director and founder of SolDesignLab. And we got started in Austin, Texas when I was a graduate student studying design. I bought an electric bike and I had no place to charge it, and I became really interested in how one solar panel could charge my electric bike, and then started doing prototyping and coming up with some boring, kind of A-frame style trailers that you could plug an electric bike into, and then started thinking about the importance of humor and telling stories. Because I was in Texas, the heart of oil, a 1950s gas pump would be a really funny way for people to kind of revision transportation. A solar awning over the gas pump. The gas pump has an outlet to charge electric bikes instead of giving you gasoline. The stations are mounted on a steel base and use security bolts to kind of put the poles and the roof, and it's almost the size of a bus stop. I'm really interested as an artist on how to repurpose phone booths, how to repurpose our gas stations, how to revision things that are obsolete now, and think of what's the next thing, what's the next game changer, so we can have reduce the carbon that our cities are producing, reduce transportation and energy and heat needs, so that our buildings are actually collecting energy. Just passive solar is interesting to me, where the building has self-facing windows that are collecting heat and allowing us to not use as much oil to be heating the buildings. As I think designers and architects and engineers need to collaborate more, and this project has helped me be able to work with specialists to come together to think about how to not only make something beautiful but also inspiring and engaging and playful, colorful. The opportunity to collaborate with people with different disciplines to come up with solutions for the challenges our cities make. That's kind of really what's been pushing me to keep doing this project is collaboration opportunities. And we used Rhino as a 3D imaging program to figure out how to build the structure so it could stand up to wind and rain. My experience or my past as an ecological designer and environmental activist have really come together in this project as a way of bringing together the importance of empowering I guess I would call it civic design or public design, to not just wait for the government to design how our cities are going to work, or wait for urban planners to tell us what the next thing is, but actually empower young people and designers and architects with innovative ideas to build things. I've been offered, venture capitalist money, and then those venture capitalists would want to make sure I'm making the highest mark or highest bid to bring them back the most amount of money possible. That's not the way I've chosen to go. I've chosen to do smaller projects, to rent the stations, to electric bike shops, to music festivals, to events, to colleges, and that brings in enough money to keep the studio open and keep us collaborating and doing curriculum. We've worked with high schools, with colleges to teach how solar works.